Are you looking for funding? I've got some great hacks for you. If you haven't heard iBankNet, you definitely want to save this video. iBankNet is one of the top websites that I use to help my clients find the best banks that have the most amount of assets that are going to give you the money that you need for your business ventures or whatever type of funding that it is that you may need. Now, I don't charge a percentage for funding because I just don't feel right about it, because I'm here to give you the tools that you need to know to be self-sufficient yourself. So iBankNet, that is one tool. Number 2 is going to be the bank branch locator. This is going to give you the branches that are in your area. Now, that is great for some of the community banks, because next we're going to be talking about CDFI. Now, if you don't know what the community development programs are, you definitely want to get familiar. Community development financial institutions. These are funds that are made available at community banks and other banks to help the community. So you want to also notate this website, cdfifund.gov. Yes, it is a government website. There is also a CDFI locator, ofn.org. This is a CDFI locator. So that way, this will help you get funding from local community banks. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. To learn more information like this, make sure to go to the link in the bio and join the credit community today, because we talk about personal credit, business credit, and how to leverage your credit to create multiple streams of income. I'm Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Instagram.